Gotta bathe a horse, ride some horses, go to a riding lesson. We got all sorts of crazy things to do. Crazy day. How are you today? This is Stroke and Owen meeting for the first time. They've actually been doing this for a little bit now. But I thought it was kind of cute, so thought I'd show you. I'm getting ready to ride Owen. I'm so excited. I'm like ridiculously excited right now because he's awesome and this is gonna be super fun. Andre? What is going on here? What are you doing? That's hilarious. You're so cute, oh my gosh. Fun fact, I am completely smitten with Owen. He is amazing. I'm so excited. I'm so happy I had such a fun ride on him. He's a good boy. I didn't ask for a lot today because it's, you know, our first day and I kind of want him to get to relax into this, but it was so much fun. Oh, I love him. Look who finally made it to our lesson. It actually happened. You ready, monkey? Yeah, I'm so excited that we actually made it finally. It's only taken us like 6 tries to get here. I think Owie likes her. Look how little she is compared to him. Like, is that a good side by side?
Yeah.
Like, she is tiny. Look where her back is, and then look where his back is.
So lazy dinner has turned into unhealthy lazy dinner, which is going to turn into ridiculous lazy dinner. We got some Velveeta, but then I'm also making some bacon. And hey, if you have Velveeta and bacon, why not put it on a sandwich and make a Velveeta bacon sandwich? Do we have any lettuce? Sort of make it healthy. I have some spinach I can kind of put on there. Pretend like it's healthy. I'm gonna have the sexiest Velveeta bacon sandwich ever. You know, that would be a BLV. Oh, wow.
Matthew, this is ridiculous.
I don't know what you're talking about.
How are you planning to eat this?
With my face.
Are you gonna pick it up? Guys, this is ridiculous. How is it? Is it pretty good? Oh my gosh. It'll also kill you.
Come take a bite of this.
Me?
I know you wanna.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I admit it. It was pretty good. But also really bad for you. But really delicious.
Hey, remember that time I got you the cutest pajamas ever?
Yeah. Now you bought me pajamas.
Because I'm awesome.
That are so cute. Hey, Mario.
What?
I should go edit the videos.
No.
I don't wanna. I just wanna hang out with you.
It's bedtime.
Yeah, I'll do that tomorrow. I'm sorry that sometimes we get a little bit behind with the editing, but you know, sometimes you gotta take a nap. I'll catch up tomorrow. I promise. Or at least partially catch up.
Spiders!